How do I file a collision coverage claim? Imagine this. You're driving along when suddenly you get into a minor accident. Now what? Filing a collision coverage claim might seem confusing at first, but it's actually straightforward once you know the steps. Let's walk through it together so you can handle it smoothly and get your car repaired quickly. First, as soon as it's safe, contact your insurance company. You can call them directly, log into your account online, or use your insurer's mobile app. Be ready to give details like the date, time, and location of the accident. Describe what happened clearly and honestly. Also, provide information about the vehicles involved, including license plate numbers and insurance details if you have them. If you took photos of the damage, have those ready to send. If police responded, get a copy of the police report, as it helps verify what happened. Next, review your auto insurance policy. Check your collision coverage limits and your deductible. The deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance covers the rest. For example, if your deductible is $500 and repairs cost $2,000, you pay $500 and your insurer pays the remaining $1,500. Knowing this helps you plan financially. Your insurance company will assign a claims adjuster to evaluate the damage. They might ask you to bring your vehicle to an approved repair shop for an inspection or estimate. Sometimes they send an adjuster to look at your car at your home or the repair shop. Be honest and thorough during this process. The adjuster will determine how much your insurance will pay based on your policy and the damage. Keep detailed records of all your communications. Save emails, notes from phone calls, and copies of any documents or receipts related to the claim. If your policy includes rental car coverage, ask your insurer how to arrange a rental while your car is being fixed. This can make your life easier during the repair process. Once your insurer approves the claim, you will pay your deductible. The insurance company then covers the rest of the repair costs up to your policy limits. They will send you a check or pay the repair shop directly. Throughout this process, stay in touch with your claims adjuster. Ask questions if anything is unclear and confirm when your car will be ready. To sum up, contact your insurance company immediately after the accident, provide all necessary documentation, review your coverage details, work with the adjuster, keep good records, and arrange for a rental if needed. Following these steps helps make the claim process faster and less stressful. Acting quickly and providing complete information will help you get your car back on the road with as little hassle as possible.